In the realm of modern landscaping, the fusion of technology and nature is not just a trend, it's a revolution. As homeowners seek more sustainable, efficient, and personalized outdoor spaces, the integration of advanced technology with natural elements has become increasingly important. This article explores how companies like GreenCare in Las Vegas, Nevada, are using this blend of technology and nature, reshaping outdoor living spaces to offer both functionality and environmental friendliness. The concept of smart homes has extended beyond the confines of indoor living to embrace outdoor spaces. For instance, smart irrigation systems can adjust watering schedules based on weather forecasts and soil moisture levels, significantly reducing water waste. Sustainability in landscaping goes beyond conserving water and energy. It encompasses an approach that includes the use of eco-friendly materials and the incorporation of natural elements that thrive in the local environment. These plants are adapted to the local climate and require less water and maintenance, contributing to a more sustainable outdoor ecosystem. One of the most exciting developments in modern outdoor design is the integration of renewable energy sources. Solar panels, for example, can be used to power everything from lighting to water features in the garden. These renewable energy sources, when combined with energy-efficient technologies like LED lighting, create outdoor spaces that are both environmentally friendly and futuristic in their appeal. Integrating technology into outdoor spaces does not mean compromising on aesthetics. For instance, lighting can be used to highlight landscape features, create ambiance, and even enhance plant growth. The concept of smart furniture and accessories in outdoor spaces is gaining traction. Furniture with built-in charging stations, weather-resistant smart TVs, and Wi-Fi-enabled outdoor kitchens are just a few examples of how technology is enhancing functionality in outdoor living areas. The blend of technology and nature in outdoor living spaces is more than just a passing trend. It's a reflection of our evolving lifestyle and environmental consciousness. As we continue to innovate and prioritize sustainability, these outdoor spaces will undoubtedly become an even more integral part of our living experience, offering a sanctuary where technology and nature exist in perfect harmony.